Hey, welcome to Cracks Country Cooking. I'm Ben. It's almost 4th of July. Let's make some firecracker wings. And you get to still keep your fingers. Some of you won't have fingers after the 4th. So we're not using party wings, we're using a full whole wing. I took these out of the package yesterday, seasoned them with some salt, put them in the fridge overnight. That's gonna help draw out moisture, make us have a crispier skin. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna flip these all over. Hit them with some cooking spray. Use whatever you want, duck fat, but any type of cooking spray will work. Because we're making a firecracker sauce, I'm just going to season with some salt and pepper from the TX brisket rub. So it's going to be high heat. We're using the Vortex. You can do this with a 2-zone setup. Put the charcoal in one half, vent over the other half, and put your chicken on that side. But the Vortex is amazing for wings. I'm just going to dab these with a paper towel on the top side. Some more cooking spray. Alright, got the Weber fired up. Once the charcoal is nice and ashed over, we're going to place the chicken wings around the perimeter of the grill. We'll put the vent over the front, and then every 10 minutes we'll just turn it a quarter turn, and hopefully by the end of the hour these will be all done. The wings are on the grill. Let's make our firecracker sauce. We're going to start with a half stick of butter. Now that the butter's all melted, we're going to put in Malcom's Burn 'em Down sauce. It's got a good amount of heat in it, but it's got some fruity flavors to it. It's a really good sauce. It does have heat, but it's very well balanced. To that, we're going to add a little bit of soy sauce, some Mike's Hot Honey, some ginger paste, a little bit of roasted garlic, right out of the jar is fine. A little bit of Killer Hogs vinegar sauce, a little bit of Killer Hogs barbecue sauce. We'll give that a good mix, let it reduce down a little bit, and we'll check on our wings. Once these hit 165 degrees, we started brushing them with our firecracker sauce. I like to brush them on, let that caramelize a little bit. Then once they hit about 175, I open them up and then we just dunk them right in the sauce. Then you get a nice caramelization on the skin, and you get the nice shine from a fresh sauce that isn't caramelized. So we'll just sprinkle it with some green shit to keep the doctor happy. These are good. You get a lot of fruitiness from that Burn 'em Down sauce. Got a good amount of heat. Very sticky. You get a nice glaze from the vinegar sauce that helps balance out the heat. The chicken is seasoned nicely because that overnight salt brine helped dry out the skin, so you get a little bit of a crisp, nice bite through, and the salt helps season the meat all the way down. Try it with some of our ranch. I have a link in the description for my homemade buttermilk ranch. It's only a couple ingredients, takes like 5 minutes to make it. Put it in the fridge, shake it in a mason jar, you're good. That buttermilk ranch helps cut some of the heat, but these aren't overly spicy. So that's our video. Hit the like and subscribe button, watch all our other videos. We have videos coming out pretty much every week. This is a great firecracker wing. You can use this sauce on ribs, it would be excellent on. Easy to do for a party. Only took 30 minutes to cook them with the Vortex. All right, we'll see you dinner time. So damn good. Whew, it's hotter than hell out here.